Hi, I'm Josh from Apt. Here's the USB Type-C digital AV multi-port adapter. I'm going to show you how we can connect this to our new 12-inch MacBook that only has USB Type-C so that we can enable some extra ports. Alright, I got my multi-port adapter here. My 12-inch MacBook is connected to the USB Type-C power supply that came with it. And what we're going to do is we're going to feed that right through the multi-port adapter. Now, we have connected our USB Type-C. I'm going to run the power to my outlet that with the cable came with my MacBook. I have the ability to plug in my TV or my monitor. Here we go with an HDMI cable that goes to the back of this Asus monitor. And it looks like it's lighting up with 1080p. I could tell because my resolution here changed. So I'm going to show you in a second what you could do to change that. But notice you also have an available USB port on the right there. So that's why we are calling this the multi-port. We have the ability to run power. We could do AV to our TV or monitor and have data running through a USB connected device. But if you're using a display, it looks like by default we're jumping into mirror mode. So go to System Preferences, jump over to the display option, and here you're going to have the ability to go to the Arrangement tab. You could deactivate mirror display if you want to. If I do that, now we have entered extended desktop mode. And notice I've got two little squares here. One represents my laptop, the small one. The big one represents my display. And I'm going to just scooch this guy over here because my small laptop is next to the big display. So by relocating those boxes, now I should be able to take an item and drag and drop it from one display to the next, allowing me to make better use of both displays. If I were to just close my screen right now and use a wireless mouse and keyboard, all this is rather irrelevant because my Asus monitor would take over. Pretty simple way to have a bunch of ports with your USB Type-C connection on a 12-inch MacBook. So that's the USB-C digital AV multi-port adapter. How do you feel about a computer with one port? Let's hear some comments. Is one port okay? Are you cool with adapters? Or is this not your cup of tea?